Guys, this is the ultimate chocolate chip cookie, and honestly, it is so addictive that you can't stop at one. It's crispy on the edges, perfectly crumbly in the center with chocolate in every bite. For this, we start by boiling the butter until it's brown and bubbly. Then we add in the sugar and blend it until it's all pasty. Now mix this paste along with flour, corn flour, baking soda to form a soft dough. Now we chop in a lot of chocolates and fold it all in. Then we freeze it for some time and shape them. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And boom, you have the best cookies ever, I swear. Detailed recipe with all my tips is in the comments. Make sure you check it out. Like, share, and follow for more such delicious recipes. And if you try this, let me know in the comments.